Alright, you ready? We gotta check one more thing. Yeah, let's go.
Satellite?
Yeah.
We'll wait.
Ready, Jack Jack?
5 minutes or 3 minutes.
So, well, your throttle cut on or off? Okay, just leave that off because it's set to do what my radio does.
Oh.
So it'll have gyro. So, oh wait, let me bring it back.
Why do you bring it back?
Because I need to check and make sure your gyro's on when mine is.
So, you give me control.
Okay. So, pull your throttle all the way back. Okay.
Yeah.
Now it's your... Yeah, it still works. Okay, now move this switch.
2 minutes, 49 seconds.
Okay, we're good.
Time
So put that back
2
that way.
minutes, 49
We don't want to lose power while I'm
We
flying.
won't. We won't. We'll be good. Because the throttle cut only works on planes that have throttle cut.
Does
So...
this one have throttle cut?
No.
Oh.
So we don't need it. So step back. And let's go. You ready?
I'll have to step forward and you give me control.
That's fine.
I'm trying not to fly in the sun.
So let's fly over in this area, okay? You ready?
Takeoff flaps, timer cleared.
So I'm going to get up quick so you can
Wait,
fly.
why did you push this all the way up here?
I didn't know if it was going to change. It's not going to do anything. Oh, wait. No, it's not going to. I turned it off. So it won't do anything on your radio.
Can I put it back?
You can put it back however you want. Yeah. Ready?
Oh, gosh.
Here's your plane, or is that bombings?
Well,
Okay, take it off!
taking off!
Gear up, flaps up.
I'm going to give myself some power.
So give about half. You ready?
Wait.
You ready?
Could you turn back?
I'm coming back. Just tell me when you're ready. You ready? Okay, you're flying. Mm-hmm. You're good. You're they're a long ways away. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna take it because
Time remaining 2
I want to make
minutes,
sure to get out of Bauman's way.
seconds.
Okay. You ready? You're flying. That's you. Just a little bit more throttle. There you
Time
go.
remaining 2 minutes.
You like it? Bring it a little closer. Bauman's high, so you can stay a little lower. There you go. That's good. How do you like it? You can go faster if you want.
I will go back.
Just make sure to do it a little higher and you're good.
I go fast when I have space.
Okay. You've got all of the room you need.
Time remaining 1 minute.
It'll go faster than that. Don't worry, if you get out of control, I'll take it.
I was just showing you in case
30 seconds.
We're good. We've got plenty of time. Keep flying. We've got plenty of time. Here, let me take the plane for a
Time
second.
remaining 20 seconds.
Because whatever trim I have, you have. So I'm going to give it back to you. Ready? You ready?
10,
Back to you.
9, 8, 7,
Don't worry about the time. We've got plenty of time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
faster. It's a jet. Jets are supposed to go fast. There you go. Go fast. Go fast. You're good. You're good. Okay, so we're gonna land here in a minute. That's the cool sound. I like it when it makes that sound.
I really am making mistakes in the name.
Whoa.
1 minute over.
All right, Jack, I'm gonna take it. All right.
Timer over. 1 minute 5 seconds.
I could see it and feel it as soon as you took over.
Yep.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
All right, here we come. Landing.
Can you do that again?
I think we can. That was kind of cool. And you're a good pilot, so I'm not worried about it.
If I didn't destroy the B-17, I'm probably not going to destroy it.
Flaps up.
That was a small one.
You like it?
B-17, yeah.
Okay, cool. Good to know, because if I ever get tired of it, I'll give it to you.
That's what makes it so important.
Thanks for waiting, guys. Good job, Jack. There, now hold on to that model, too. All those settings will work for one if you get it. Cool.
Well, that battery's charging. Can I go and go with mom?
Go do your thing. Yeah, you're good. Go ahead.